Y'all, we did a thing. Riley's getting locks, and something was like, just really document this whole process because you could help people, which is what I do. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Two Naturals, go ahead and do that. Thank you. Okay, y'all, I was so excited. I just couldn't stop touching her hair. I'm like, oh my gosh, she's really starting her lock journey, and she initiated this on her own. Like, you're 6 and you so lit about this whole experience, and I love that for you. Now, this lock and pomade, I'm gonna do a whole separate video on that. Y'all, I love it. Okay, I also used Aunt Jackie's on her hair, Aunt Jackie's Quench Leave-In Conditioner, to get this whole 2-strand twist process started. This is the next morning. We put a bonnet on and the shrinkage is real. Now it's time to get to it. Now, all her parts, most of her parts are the same size. Some are like, I have 3 different size parts going on in her head, and it's for a reason because, you know, her texture hair isn't the same throughout her whole head. Some parts is more fuller, some parts are a little thinner, and I did it based on how I know locks have a little weight to it. So I did it based off my knowledge of locks, and then I oiled her scalp with peppermint oil, and yeah, she was so happy. So this is the Aunt Jackie's product I use. I loved it for this process because her hair is definitely moisturized, and I went in with the blow dryer on cool just to be extra with her because I love her. Because I love her.